Hello, welcome to 99 Reasons Why. As you can see, these are the new Airpods Pro, but obviously they are by Colorware. Colorware make colored Apple Pro and Apple products and other products as well. So now you can see there's got a sticker on the left there, which is sealed by Colorware. So once you place an order, they have brand new AirPod Pros and they actually color it and then afterward test it and seal it back up and then send it to you. Okay, let's open the box now and see what we have. Ta-da! That's the midnight green. It looks very nice. And we'll see how the AirPods Pro inside look like. Inside the box we have the USB-C to lightning cable, quite long, and then under there we have the ear cushions, which these are 4 here. I believe these are the small and medium. I think the large was already installed on the AirPods Pro. Let's see. Quite good packaging. Okay. Yep, there you go. They look beautiful. These colors are very nice. If you can see them moving near the camera. Yep. So these are the large ones, the larger ear tips. I think I will go with the small ones because I do have the AirPods first gen, and they do fit very well for me. So these ones hopefully will fit well. If they do, they should be the small ear tips, since the other ones are very good, but the battery seems to have reduced over the years. So these ones definitely will be very good. I'll probably do another video showing the durability and how the sound is, and how to pair them and everything. Next I will show you where I bought them from, which is the Colorware website. On colorware.com, let's choose a color to customize our AirPods. So on the left, let's choose a color now. We are going to choose either metallic or matte. So we will go with, let's see, metallic, matte, choose a color. We've chosen metallic blue, and we're going to choose another color for the right side. We've also chosen metallic, and that's matte. Now we're going for the case, and we've chosen matte, and that's a solid color. And you can do this and change the colors as you like for your preference. So now I've changed the left one to matte, a darker blue color, and I can change, let's change the right one to black. Okay, so we go to that and we choose the jet black matte, not the glossy black color. So there you go. And we change it back to matte. So you can actually change it, until you're happy with your selection. This is, you have an image afterwards showing you how it looks like, and the price at the bottom, and also they add another delivery charge depending on your location. Okay, so thanks for viewing. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting videos.